Let's solve this question. X minus 1 raised to power x minus 1 equal to 6x plus 3. We have to find x. Let's find solution. So we have x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1 equal to 6x plus 3. So what do we do here? We have x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1 equal to 6x. So let's do some manipulation here. Plus 6 minus 6, it still give us plus 3. We still give us 6x plus 3, because this and this will still cancel themselves. So we have x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1 equal to 6x minus 6. If we want to find a way of having a value similar to x minus 1 here, that is the reason for the manipulation here. So we have plus 6 plus 3. So what do we do next? Here now we have x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1 equals to, let's do the factorization here, or let me just say 6x minus 6 plus 9. Okay, let me factorize these two. So we have x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1 equal to 6. What's common here? 6x divided by 6, that gives us x, minus 6 divided by 6, that gives us 1, then plus 9. Okay, so let's move this similar term to the left hand side. So we have x minus 1 raised to the power of x minus 1 equals to, okay, it will move to the left hand side, so it will become negative minus 6 into x minus 1 equals to 9. Okay, so what do we do to this now? We can write this in this form, or let me just say, let x minus 1 to be equal to y. So where you see x minus 1, you put your value of y. So we have y raised to the power of y minus 6y equals to 9. So this is what we are going to have. So let's write 9 in another form. Y raised to the power of y minus 6y equals to 27 minus 18. So that we can have 27 in this form and 6y also 18 also in this form. So if you have that, we have y raised to the power of y minus 6y will be equal to, let's write 27 in this form, that will be 3 raised to the power of 3 minus 18 in 6y form, that will be 6 times 3. Okay, now if you compare the two sides, y raised to the power of y equals to 3 raised to the power of 3. We can quickly see our y equal to what? 3. Okay, now but if you also compare this side to minus 6y equals to minus 6 into 3, we divide both sides by minus 6. Okay, minus 6. So minus 6 will cancel themselves, so it implies that y equals to 3. Okay, so what do we do next? But recall that y is equals to x minus 1. Okay, so since our y is 3, we just say 3 is equal to x minus 1. So to find our x here, we are adding 1 to both sides. So 3 plus 1 equals to x minus 1 plus 1. X minus 1 plus 1 will cancel, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, so 3 plus 1, that gives us 4 equals to x. So therefore, our x is equal to 4. That's the final answer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more exciting solutions. Thank you. Bye bye.